Do you want to view websites the same way they appear on a computer? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you open website in desktop mode using Samsung Internet. Let me show you how. Samsung Internet provides two ways to use desktop mode. First, desktop mode for the current website. To do so, open Samsung Internet. Tap the three dots at the bottom right. Then tap desktop site. As you can see, Samsung Internet will reload the current web page and display the desktop version of the site. This is useful when a website has features that are only available in its desktop layout. Second, desktop mode for all websites. If you want Samsung Internet to automatically open all websites in desktop view, tap the three dots at the bottom right, then tap Setting, tap Web Page View and Scrolling. Here, enable Show Desktop Site. With this setting, Samsung Internet will now attempt to open website in desktop view by default. As you know the difference, you can choose the method that works best for your browsing style. And that's how you view website in desktop mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.